Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get blocks in Brookhaven. First, open the game and look for the build icon, usually found on the bottom of your screen. Clicking this icon will open up the building menu, where you'll find various options to customize your space. Navigate to the blocks category to begin selecting your desired building materials. Once you're in the blocks menu, you'll see a variety of block types and colors. Take your time to browse through them and pick the one that best suits your vision. After selecting a block, simply drag it to your desired spot in the game world. You can place multiple blocks to start forming your structure. After placing your blocks, you can customize them further. Look for tools that allow you to resize blocks, making them larger or smaller to fit your design. You can also change their colors using the color palette and rotate them to achieve precise angles and orientations for your build. Experiment to create unique structures. To ensure your hard work isn't lost, remember to save your creation. Locate the save icon within the game's menu, usually represented by a floppy disk or similar symbol. Confirm your save to secure your progress. Once saved, you can continue building, explore the world, or return to your masterpiece later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.